Keeps your car interior smelling fresh, eliminates odors, and enhances driving comfort and ambience. My today's video is about top 5 best car air fresheners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cratik Car Air Freshener, the one road trip car air freshener is the perfect blend of style, luxury, and functionality. Infused with a sophisticated mix of warm sandalwood, spicy nutmeg, and musky notes, it creates a refreshing, nature-inspired atmosphere that elevates every drive. Designed with a leather-inspired finish and crafted from recyclable wood and durable glass, this diffuser not only looks elegant but is also non-toxic, alcohol-free, and eco-friendly, avoiding harsh chemicals and plastics, delivering long-lasting fragrance for up to 3 months. It effectively eliminates odors while allowing you to adjust the scent intensity to match your mood or driving pace. Its anti-spill, anti-slip design ensures stable placement on dashboards or cup holders, making it practical and reliable. Beyond its performance, this car air freshener makes a thoughtful gift for both men and women, combining wellness, design, and road trip nostalgia. A small accessory that transforms your car interior into a fragrant, luxurious retreat for every journey. Now our second product is C-Classy Car Air Freshener. The C-Classy Car Air Freshener Hanging 2-Pack is a stylish and functional accessory that transforms any car interior into a fragrant, inviting space. Infused with luxurious saffron and amber essential oils, these diffusers deliver a warm, long-lasting aroma that delights the senses without being overpowering. Perfectly balanced for both men and women, they provide a sophisticated scent experience that elevates every drive. Designed for convenience, the hanging diffusers are easy to install on your rearview mirror or other suitable spots in the car. The 2-pack ensures you can enjoy consistent fragrance throughout your vehicle or share one with a friend or loved one. Made in the USA with high-quality materials, these air fresheners are crafted for durability and long-lasting performance. Beyond keeping your car smelling fresh, they double as cute, stylish accessories that add charm to your interior. A perfect gift for anyone who values elegance, functionality, and a premium driving experience. Our third product is Vetuslumen Car Air Freshener. The Car Air Freshener gift is an ideal blend of romance, elegance, and practicality, making it the perfect Valentine's Day surprise. Designed to delight your girlfriend, wife, or significant other, it adds a personal and thoughtful touch to any car interior. Each diffuser comes with 8 milliliters of premium fragrance oil and a stylish wooden lid that absorbs and slowly releases the scent for a long-lasting, refreshing aroma. Installation is effortless. Simply unscrew the wooden lid, remove the plastic stopper, screw the lid back on, let it absorb the oil for 5 to 8 seconds, and hang it on the rearview mirror using the adjustable rope. With 6 unique fragrances: ocean, moonlit gardenia, nocturne rose, vanilla cream, mahogany, and lavender, you can customize the experience to suit personal preferences, keeping your car smelling fresh and inviting. Beyond its delightful aroma, this air freshener effectively eliminates odors from food, pets, smoke, and leather, making it both a stylish and functional accessory for daily drives or special occasions. Now number 4, Ceeniu Car Air Freshener. The new Car Smell Car Air Freshener is a premium, feature-packed diffuser that brings luxury, convenience, and freshness to your vehicle. With a large 135 milliliters fragrance reservoir using 100 natural essences from France's Robertet, it provides up to 6 months of continuous aromatic enjoyment, making every drive a sensory delight. Equipped with a highly sensitive vibration sensor and smart chip, this air freshener automatically switches on/off without manual intervention, with adjustable intensity in strong or light modes to suit your preferences. Its pressurized centrifugal turbo delivers fragrance efficiently and quietly, operating below 35 dB, so you can enjoy serene and uninterrupted drives. The chlorophyll-infused fragrance molecules instantly refresh the air, promoting a healthy and pleasant cabin environment. Adding to the experience, the built-in blue ambient light creates a calming atmosphere, with flickering adjustable to match your selected mode. Compact yet powerful, this car air freshener combines advanced technology, elegant design, and long-lasting performance, with a 1-year quality guarantee for peace of mind. And our last choice is Airversa Car Air Freshener. The affordable waterless essential oil diffuser is a game-changer for car and home aromatherapy, combining innovation, convenience, and style. Its patented waterless technology transforms essential oils directly into a fine nanomist without heat or water, offering a natural, safe, and hassle-free alternative to traditional ultrasonic diffusers. Designed to fit securely in car cup holders, it delivers a powerful, customized aroma experience during your daily commute, turning every drive into a refreshing and relaxing journey. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 48 hours of cordless use, fully recharging in just 3.5 hours via Type-C port. Optimized for areas up to 600 square feet, it features 3 intermittent mist modes, low, medium, high, and 4 timer settings to extend fragrance longevity. Compatible with standard 5 to 20 milliliters essential oil bottles, a single refill can last for days. Its compact, durable design makes installation effortless, while the waterless system ensures consistent scent diffusion and reduces maintenance. Perfect for home, office, travel, and cars, this diffuser combines practicality, efficiency, and elegance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.